Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation doing another unboxing video, and today we got our hands on the Echo Sub. And as you can see, it's pretty large. Let's go ahead and show you the front of the box. It says right there, deep bass for your Echo. Okay, show you the right side. Tells you what's included and what's needed. And then the back, general intro to the sub, picture of the sub in action, and then the left side. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. As you can see right away, the Amazon symbol right here. Characteristic of all their devices. Now it looks like this comes in a bag, much like the Studio. Let's see what's in here. Looks like an instruction manual. Getting to know your sub. Plug in your sub. Download the Alexa app. Configuring your sub. Getting started with, and some basic product information. And then of course we have the power cord. And from the looks of it, this is the same exact one that goes in the Studio. And that's the box. Okay. So this bag says Echo Sub on the front. So we think these bags are for carrying to other people's houses, like maybe in a backpack or something. So you can transport it safely. And this is the sub. As you can tell, it's pretty large. Now there's a warning sticker here telling you to set up your other devices before plugging in the sub. Now there's no buttons on this, so it's obviously meant to be controlled from the app. Now just for a size comparison, I've brought in the Echo Studio. And as you can see from them being side by side, the sub is much larger than the Studio. Well, I think that's the end of our video. Let me know in the comments what you guys want us to unbox next. Catch you guys later.